What's up, you guys? This is Nikita here. Welcome back to Day to Shine. Today, I want to start my video with the Swami Vivekananda thought that is about the greatest sins to be think yourself big. This thought is always inspire me whenever I feel lose something and weak. The problem is overwhelmed to me. That the time I remind the same thought, which is boost my energy. And let's move on our video. That is about the some sets of expressions which use lots of native English speaker in daily life. And those expression no like a idiom. They are slightly different kind of meaning, but they are very natural and their communication make a nice and flowing. They are really gonna help you to bring up your English level high. And if you wanted to learn those expressions to make your conversation more nice and flowing, so please continue watching this video till the end.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Our first expression is today is better late than never. Imagine you are late for your meeting and your arrival at your office obviously late. Then you can say, I'm sorry, I'm late and I'm stuck in the traffic. So then your boss and colleague can say, it's all right, better late than never. This phrase can be actually used for the lighter situation, and you don't want to be your friend and somebody else to be feel stressed about for laziness. At the time you can use better late than never. The next phrase is said that again. This means you are agree with somebody, but if you are say like that, you can sit there again, it could be a dangerous one. So please make sure your intonation is polite and calm. For example, your friend saying, I think the party was awesome. So you can sit there again. It means, yeah, the party was awesome. The next phrase is, well, I never. For example, if you are hear some news, some shocking news, and which is really impossible to believe on. For example, she is really agree to marry him, and well, I never. You can't win. The next phrase, you can't win all them. It means it is about the when you fail something. For example, I'm take a personal experience. I'll give a test or I'll give a scooty driving test and I'll failed. Then at the time you can say that's okay, it's not worry about anything, you can't win them all. It means you can't be success in everything. And by the way, FYI, for your information, I'll tell you, I'll pass out my scooty driving test in the second attempt, and I'll have now got my driving lessons also. So congratulations for me. The next phrase, at the end of the day. At the end of the day, it means I'll give an example. For example, you and me, we are discussing on the situation, and I suggest you something, and I'll also advise you how to do and what to do and how should you do. But at the end of the day, it's your decision what will you do and how you do. It's your At the end of the day, it's your decision. The great expression is the let's face it. For example, in you are in the contest, and the your program is not working at the time the situation. At the time, you don't blame to other, you have to look up your situation honestly, and you have to accept your mistake, and you have to face it the problem at the same time. If your friend is sad, what would you like to do? You would like to do something nice to talk to them, and also do something good for them, smile, and you can also say cheer up. And this is a very simple expression but used in appropriate situation. It's not the end of the world, it's your next expression. For example, something bad happened with your friends. For example, he failed in exam. At the time you can say it's not the end of the world, it's okay, all right. And but be careful whenever the something serious happen with your friends and it's not good. For example, he lost his job and he has no money. In this serious situation, don't need to be used at the end of the world. Is very bad, very bad. Right. So the next expression, create mind, think alike. For example, you are saying something to your friend, colleagues, and somebody else. Oh, I had the exact same thought. You can say, create mind, thinks alike. Move on, another one. You win some, you lose some. This is another expression. For example, again, if you didn't succeed at something, at the time you can say you win some, you lose some. Last second one, no news is a good news. For example, there is a too much information in our surrounding. For example, we are too much messages and informations and news which is obsessed too much sometime, and then the time you can use when there is a no news, it means nothing is bad wrong in our surrounding. That's a good one, good vibes is comes to us, and then the time you can use no news is a good news. Great. Last not the least, better safe than sorry. For example, take a safety measurement instead of facing of consequent happening something wrong. For example, you have to slow more slowly on this rocky road because better safe than sorry. And I want to wrap up it here, and thank you so much to watching up to very end, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Till bye bye.